Hey, everybody. Welcome to episode 1 of FoodLyfe Setting the Table. I am your co-host. No, I'm not your co-host. I'm your host of this video, and also I'm the founder of FoodLyfe. FoodLyfe is looking to streamline the food industry. It's a cluttered process. You have to create your grocery list, you have to figure out new recipes, figure out what ingredients you need to buy from the grocery store, talk to the rest of your family, pay attention to nutrition labels. If you have health allergies, take those into account. It's just a whole complicated process, learning about different food brands. Like, can you name a couple different ketchup brands besides Heinz? No. It's just, there's so much information out there. It's cluttered. FoodLyfe is creating an offering to streamline the food industry. Now, we could definitely get into that a little bit further, but really, this is just kind of the start. I'm going to do this every Sunday, and it's just going to kind of talk about how a company starts, and like really just like everything that goes into it, and that it's not an overnight success. I have the utmost confidence that FoodLyfe will truly disrupt the food industry, but it's going to take a very long time. So just like I said, this is episode 1. This is not the start. So to give you a little background, FoodLyfe, I originally really thought of the idea about a year ago when I was driving back from Arizona. So now I live in Phoenix, but used to not live here. Used to live in Indianapolis, actual Carmel, Indiana. So for all you out there that know the Indiana area, anyways, so I thought about FoodLyfe on the way home. It was around 2 a.m. driving back from Phoenix to Indianapolis. Through that year, so that was May 2020. It's now April 2021. Since that time, I've worked with 3 different people, programmers in different colleges: Indiana, Michigan State, and University of Michigan. Right now, FoodLyfe is going to initially be an app. We do not have a fully functioning app right now. I've worked with those 3 developers, but they have since left. I've gone through a lot of iterations on sketch of what the business model is going to look like, what the app's going to look like. I've reached out to a bunch of different people. Recently, the most up-to-date news is got connected with a professor from CU Boulder, which is very exciting to potentially find somebody that really a co-founder that will come on and be able to help out. In addition to that, I'm talking to different investors, or trying to get the conversation going with different investors. So really what I'm thinking about right now is definitely needing a developer or programmer, also figuring out how the app's really going to look like, how it's going to interact. Cryptocurrency is a big thing right now, so I'm looking to potentially see how FoodLyfe may be able to get into that. And then I'm doing a bunch of reading, so really just to kind of wanted to give everybody an overview, and this is the start to a long journey. So this is the first episode, grinding every day, still have a job, and I'm working on the side with FoodLyfe, really any chance I get, reading all different books, anywhere from understanding the supplement industry, healthcare industry, grocery stores, nutrition, tech companies, marketing. Really, I spend a lot of my time, if I'm not working, is either designing the app if I have tweaks that I think we should make, or making presentations, because I'll be speaking with different people. Business plan, building our audiences on some of the different social medias. Right now on Instagram we have 177 followers, TikTok we have 0, YouTube we have 0, Facebook we have 0. Yeah, really just using Canva to help get more creative on Instagram. But right now, we don't have a fully functioning app. Like I said, audiences are pretty small on social medias, but we're making great connections with different people. The business model is getting very, very close to really how we're going to be able to monetize, scale our business, produce the most value to users, and we're kind of going from there. So more updates to come.